Apple Pay NFC payments is a contactless payment method developed by Apple that allows users to make payments using their Apple devices. To understand how it works, let's break it down step by step. First, Apple Pay uses near-field communication technology, or NFC, to facilitate payments. This technology enables devices to communicate with each other when they are in close proximity. In the case of Apple Pay, the device communicates with the payment terminal at the checkout counter. To set up Apple Pay, users need to add their credit or debit card information to their Apple device, such as an iPhone or Apple Watch. This information is stored securely in the device and is not shared with merchants. When a user wants to make a payment, they simply need to hold their device near the payment terminal and authenticate the transaction. Using Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode, the device then transmits the payment information to the terminal, which processes the transaction. One of the key benefits of Apple Pay is its security. When a user adds a card to Apple Pay, the actual card number is not stored on the device. Instead, a unique device account number is assigned, which is used to make payments. This means that even if a device is lost or stolen, the user's card information remains secure. In addition to security, Apple Pay also offers convenience. Users can make payments quickly and easily, without needing to dig out their wallet or enter their card information. Apple Pay can also be used to make online purchases and in-app payments, making it a versatile payment method. To get the most out of Apple Pay, users should ensure that their device is compatible with the service and that they have the latest software updates installed. They should also only add cards from trusted banks and institutions to their device, and keep their device and account information up to date. In conclusion, Apple Pay NFC payments is a convenient and secure way to make payments using Apple devices. By understanding how it works and following best practices, users can take advantage of the benefits of Apple Pay and make their lives easier.